Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to open XTB trading account. The first thing I want you to do is come here to xtb.com, and then here you can come to the top right, click on create account. Just make sure you don't click on try a demo. You can click here as well, create account, and then basically all you need to do is you need to enter your email address, and you need to go ahead and pick a country of residence that is actually accepting accounts for XTB. So for this case, I'll go ahead and choose Germany. So here we go. I'll come here. We have Germany right about here that we'll go ahead and pick. And then we need to agree to the terms, okay? Agree to these terms right here. Hit those check boxes, click on next step, and we'll proceed further. Now, we need to go to XTB German because they accept clients from a country with another branch. So we'll go ahead to that section. Once you've filled in your information, come here, click on open a trading account, and now they're processing your application. Then you can just go to the trading platform, and here you go. Really that easy. If you found this helpful, make sure you smash that like button and subscribe to App Mentor.